How's your Josh? Is it still high? Let's measure your motivation using the same motivation meter we used couple of days back. You remember, don't you? With 3 questions? Question number 1. Are you replacing at least one meal a day with NeuMeal? Question number 2. Are you keeping up with the sessions daily with no skips? Question number 3. Are you keeping up with the small tasks given through these sessions? How many yeses you have now? Was it higher or lower than your previous measure on day 12? If it's different, then we're not surprised. Neither should be you, because motivation is not constant. It's up sometimes and sometimes low. Do you still believe you can do it, don't you? Let's do a psych trick to boost your Josh in the next session, the mindful way.